Welcome to today's video. Today, we're exploring the hauntingly beautiful ruins of Slains Castle, perched on the rugged coastline of Cruden Bay. Just 24 miles north of Aberdeen, Slains Castle stands as a dramatic reminder of Scotland's rich and mysterious past. Built in 1597 by the Earl of Erroll, the castle has undergone multiple reconstructions, only to be slowly reclaimed by time and the elements. For centuries, the Earls of Erroll held great influence in the region. Their fortunes flourished when William Hay, the 18th Earl, married the daughter of King William IV, but as time passed, so did their wealth. In 1919, the castle was sold to Sir John Elliman, who later abandoned it in 1925. To avoid taxation, the roof was removed, sealing the castle's fate as a ruin. Despite its decay, Slains Castle remains a site of fascination. In the 19th century, it was a haven for celebrities, most notably Bram Stoker. It is widely believed that the castle inspired the eerie setting of Count Dracula in 1897. More recently, fans of The Crown may recognize Slains Castle standing in Forecastle May in Season 1 of the hit series. A place of grandeur, mystery, and inspiration, Slains Castle continues to captivate those who walk its wind-swept halls, where echoes of the past refuse to fade. The ruins of Slains Castle await, standing against the North Sea winds, ready to share their story. Will you walk its halls and uncover its secrets?